She says, I like music, I like to play piano. My father, Andre, is your fan. He listens to your radio show every week. A state of trends. Armin, say hello to my parents, please. And she included a picture of herself. It's really, really cool. Also got one from Pravin Jowata. Justin Sudan would like to be my Valentine for Valentine's Day for the rest of our lives. Oh, that's so sweet. For the celebrations, I've put together a special compilation CD, including tracks by all the artists that will be performing on the 17th of February 2018 in the Jaarbeurs in Utrecht. And if you're watching the live stream right now, you can see that he's entered the building. John O'Grant from Above and Beyond. Tomorrow, their album will be released, and they're going to play some exclusive new music from that album, so stay tuned for that. But first, another world premiere. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is.
Hey, what's up? This is Ben McCall, and I just wanted to congratulate Armin, Ruben, and all the guys at the State of Trance team on 850 episodes. Can't wait to see you guys in Utrecht, playing on the main stage, closing, and I cannot wait. See you guys there, and have a great time, chat.
Armin van Buuren's favorite record of this week's show. This is the Tune of the Moment.